Hi, I'm Tony with Arizona Appliance and Home. Today we wanted to talk to you a little bit about microwave drawers. Nowadays it seems as though people are looking for creative places to be able to put the microwave in the kitchen. If you're doing double ovens, you can't put it up above, it's just too high. You know, you're tucking it away in a pantry or it's taking up space on your countertop. Microwave drawers offer a great way to be able to hide away the microwave in the kitchen, still have the practicality of it without it taking up a lot of space. So for instance, with this one, we mounted it right underneath our countertop, right close to our cooktop. These can also be tucked away in your island, so you really don't even see it. And they open up super easy for you, slide open. They're able to put your food into the microwave without having to reach high or tuck it away, and then just closes super easy. Have all the same functions of any other microwave that you have, but in a convenience tucked away place. Thanks for watching.